Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican. I am in the beautiful parish Westmoreland, a wonderful parish here in Jamaica, and I stopped at the Akimbo Museum with Mr. Miller. And what Mr. Miller is going to do, he's going to give me a tour of the museum of everything that he has saved up from the past.
Come and chat with Tania.
Hello guys, I am Louis Miller. This is my shop and this is my museum. It's called the Akimbo Museum, and I have a vast amount of stuff in there from the past. So if you would come with me, I could show you around and then we can go on from here. I am Louis Miller. And they also call me Brother Miller because I'm a minister of the gospel. I go to the Good News Release Center of the Prophetic Church of God, Caledonia, with our headquarters at 5 Love Lane, Maypen, Clarendon. I was born right here in Caledonia, just above the shop on the hill up there, Caledonia Westmoreland, yes. Let me take you through what I can take you through. These are the monies we used to use, right?
Yes.
These bigger ones, these are a penny. This is a penny, what we call a Willie penny.
Okay.
Quite popular money in the days gone. In my youthful days, this was what we take to the shop.
Okay.
You see the queen is on this side.
Let me see that one.
Here you have the Queen Elizabeth on that side.
Which year they used to use this one?
Well, they are coming from many years ago, and all this money they carry a date. So we have money that dates way back. That dates from way back. For instance, this is a threepence, a silver threepence.
Okay.
You understand me? And let me see if I find a copper threepence. Okay, in other words, I find a shilling. This was like 2 shillings.
You remember the year that shilling was used?
The year is on many of them. I'm sorry.
Let me see that one.
I don't think. Look on this. Okay, look on the. That's a 20.
It's a 20 shilling.
20 shilling. Yes.
1987.
1987.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
So, right. This one is. This was one of the money we use when we just got to. Anyway, this is our Jamaican official kind.
Yes.
And this was from the English days. This was what we use, pound, shilling, and pence.
Okay.
So if you look up here,
Oh, so it's right here.
right, you can see the way that we use them up there. So it says 2 farthing, one
half penny.
1/2 a penny. 3/2 a penny is equal to 1 gill.
Oh.
And 2 gill is equal to a quarty. That is half a threepence.
Yes.
And down here it says 3 penny. No,
2 3 pence.
2 3 pence make 1
1
6 pence.
6 pence.
Right, and I have a
Or fipenny.
fipenny.
Oh, fipenny.
The old people used to call it
Fipenny.
Fipenny. You buy fipenny
Oh.
sugar for me.
Okay.
Right, so that's another way of how they did it. Where did I reach now?
3 penny.
3 penny.
And the 1 quarty.
You call it a bit.
1 bit.
1 bit. Okay, and 2 bits is equal to 9 pence. And 4 bits is equal to 1 shilling and 6 pence. Right. And 1 shilling they used to call it
One bob.
One bob. And 4 shillings, they would call it $1. But not the dollar that we have now.
Yes.
But the old people used to say $1. And this one is, say, 1 shilling and 6 pence is equal to a bob tenant.
Okay.
Right? And this one, 2 shillings and 6 pence is equal to half a crown. And 5 shillings is equal to
1 crown.
1 crown. And 10 crowns is equal to a half a sovereign. And 20 sovereign is equal to
20 shillings
is equal to
1 sovereign or 1 pound. Really?
Yes. And then 21 shilling is equal to
1 guinea.
Right, so that was the biggest one.
Okay, so what is that? Another way our ancestors combined coins.
Right.
This is lovely.
Right, so I got that put together. And then you have all the, if we have
The
time.
other coins.
If we have time now, I could show you the different ones.
Oh, they're there, like the farthings, shillings.
Farthing, yes.
Oh, farthings.
A farthing, 2 farthing here would make 1/2 a penny. And see, I got a farthing in here.
Okay.
So if we have time, we could go through and see
And
how
look at
old,
them,
see
yes.
how old they are and from when they were coming. And we have up there, we have the half penny. I didn't think I have a quarty. A quarty is a small little one like this.
Let me look.
It's a very small one like this, but this is not a quarty.
Oh, the quarty.
But I don't have a quarty. That is a very unusual money that not very many people could tell you what it looked like. I
Okay.
think I've seen it once and it's just like this. So the quarty now would make two quarty would make a threepence.
Yeah. Okay.
So I tried to put them together. So these are all the different monies that
We have
used to have.
used right throughout.
From a shilling. These are penny. And coming further up now, this is in the dollar days. The new money now. This was 50 cents.
Yes.
This one was 50 cents. We don't use 50 cents anymore. And up there, you see we have the...
Oh, we have some.
Yes, we have the charts up there.
Some money
You
charts.
can see it properly.
So
on
I
the
have
graph.
$20, $10,
Yes.
$2,
Yes.
$2, $5 and $1.
Oh yes, these are the last they used to make shoes. So if you look, you'll see the different ones.
So this is what people used to wear in.
These are the shoes, not the shoes, but the what you call it, this is what they build the shoes on.
Oh,
You understand?
okay,
Yes,
okay.
This is how they set up the shoes. So this is like a base. It's a base for
The
the
base
shoes.
for the shoes.
Right. So you see the different
Yes, the different
ones. Right.
types.
The different size and the different ones. The really big one, that, and the different ones. Different shoes. We didn't have those little sandals and things like what we have now. They were all solid leather shoes.
Yes, so
And the
they
shoemaker-
used to use these now.
Right, so the shoemaker.
So these would have been like the size, your foot
Size,
size,
right.
and they build it according
right,
to.
Right, these are the size of the shoes that they would build the shoes on.
Okay.
Right, and these are what they would take to extend the shoes.
Yes.
You know, if it's too tight, then you could put this in.
And stretch.
And yes, just stretch the shoes.
Oh.
So if you have a shoes, you buy a shoes and it's too tight, you could take it to the shoemaker and say you want him to stretch it. Or if you have one, you could do it yourself.
Okay.
So they would. That was how they do it.
Okay.
They don't. I don't know. They have modern one now, so they wouldn't use these now.
Yes.
Oh, that's a piece of slate.
Oh, so this is what they call a slate.
Yes, it's a piece of slate.
They used to use that when? What they used to use it for?
Well, this is like when I go to school.
It's chalk?
No, it's not chalk, it's slate. It can be broken, you can throw it down and break it.
Oh.
You know? So when I was going to school, I didn't take a book to school.
So that was what you take to write on?
Right.
So the work could have been rubbed off then?
You clean off the slate. As soon as you do one work,
yes.
the teacher would say, all right, clean your slate. And then he would give you another thing to do.
Okay.
You know, and when I go to school, this was a piece of the desk.
Piece of the desk.
Desk that we sit on to write.
Oh, what is written on it? In loving memory of the old school desk.
Right. So
wow.
This is where you put the inkwell.
Yes.
The inkwell would be in this because we didn't use a ready write pen. You have to dip it.
Okay.
You have to dip it. I think you have an inkwell.
And then you put it. Oh.
You dip it in like that. The ink
okay.
The ink would be like in this, and then you dip the pen, and then you would write. But this is a liquid.
But what you used to write on? The slate?
Yes.
With that? So
no.
What you write on?
When we move up to a higher class,
yes.
then we would use the book.
Okay, so.
But when we go to school and start out in school, from first class upward to sixth class, we would use slate.
Oh.
And slate pencil.
You have any other pencils?
I had a piece, but I would remember where to find it now. I didn't find it now. See the pen nib?
This is the pen for
pen.
the ink?
Yeah, so you dip that in.
Yes.
And you write. And as soon as it dry, then you dip it again. But this was a more for the teacher.
Yes.
They had a special inkwell on the desk.
Yes.
And teacher would have a special pen that he used. And you dip it in and you squeeze a little plastic thing up here and you pull up the ink and full up.
Okay. Okay.
It would full up like that.
Yes, yes.
And then now you put on back the covering and you would write. And as soon as it dried, then you would do it over again.
Okay.
So as I say, that was a part of the desk when I go to school.
Yes, yes.
Right. Let me see if I have anything else close
On
to
this
that.
side.
Alright, there is so much to it. This is a whole day's job.
Oh, Lord. There are so many things that we have seen from the past, and it has also brought back so many memories. But in the meantime, I want to thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more. Stay tuned for the next part. Alright?